Okay, so for chapter 101, you're going to find a lot of introductory information here. You can see all we're looking at is reading lesson 101. You guys don't have to worry about the CPR section here. Marissa will get that taken care of with your school administration. But then you will see there again we have a few worksheets here you're going to have to hit as well. Again, I hope and I think you guys are going to find them pretty easy, pretty introductory. But just if we cycle through here, you guys can check this stuff out yourself. I want to get into some of these terms a little bit. And again, please read this carefully. I think this is very important that you have a good understanding of this section and these terms. We have voltage, we have ampacity, we have watts, and we have resistance. You're going to hear those terms a ton this year and through the 4-year program. You know, just briefly, and everybody likes to do it, I think it's a good analogy, is you equate these values to water, to plumbing, things like that. So voltage is going to be the same as pressure. Okay, it's electrical pressure, quite literally, so the same as water pressure. We get over to ampacity. I think of that sort of as your volume. So if you're talking water again, how much can I fit in this container? Well, that's gallons. Well, how much electricity, how much current am I using? That's ampacity. So again, that's kind of an amount or a volume. Wattage then is a measure of work. So again, with water, you're thinking, you know, can I move a paddle wheel, for instance? You know, so I would think, okay, let's lay a basketball on the ground. I can shoot that with a pressure washer. That's high pressure, but relatively low volume to move that ball. Okay, the opposite of that is let's take a swimming pool, a huge volume of water, you know, an above ground pool. Let's cut that side of that pool. Water flows out. It's not a whole lot of pressure, but it's a ton of water. That's going to move that ball as well. So we've done the same amount of work, which would be measured in watts, but we've used different amounts of ampacity or voltage, or in this case, gallons and pressure. And then resistance is going to be more of a value related to the circuit, to the conductors, things like that. But again, that will become very important in the future here as well. And I won't go through all these other sections here. You guys can more than capable of reading that. But again, you're going to see these terms, and we'll really get into detail with all these various terms you're going to see here. But again, you know, I hope you guys find lesson 101 to be kind of a nice introduction and nothing too intense. But again, we're looking at only reading lesson 101, and then we have 1, 2, 3, looks like 3 worksheets we got to hit. All right, thanks and have fun.